unbelievably bright in here, so I thought I'd put the shades on just to be extra cool. This is the car that I keep coming back to no matter what I go and look at and how crazy the cars get, partially due to availability and what I am and am not allowed to film, but obviously this is very close to a car that is near and dear to my heart with the black and red. What it's got that's pretty amazing is this unreal roof rack. Like, this is incredible. I think the Super Slow might need to pick up one of these bad boys and rock it. I think the biggest thing I've noticed while I've been here, and what I always look for when I'm looking at high-end cars, is always the paint quality. So they have a bunch of different tiers here. They have more of your entry-level SUVs for Porsche, as well as the high-end stuff. And then you get into this stuff, and I'm always looking at the orange peel, because obviously my car has an absolute ton of it. So as I've owned it and I've gone out and had the ability to go and look at different brands and different, I guess, qualities of vehicle, it's been really interesting. Everybody says Ford's better than Chevy and Dodge is this and this is that, but it's not. It's all the same. But when you get into these high-end cars, the paint quality is incredible. Like, you actually feel bad when they put vinyl on it because the vinyl looks orange peeled, but the paint does not, which is somewhat confusing. So it's a very, very interesting thing. I want to give a huge shout out to Oakville Porsche here. They've been extremely kind to me, which is good. I've appreciated the hospitality. To be honest, they've been a lot more friendly and a lot more involved in the filming and offering to show me stuff and answer questions and do whatever I need than most of the North American stuff, which is pretty incredible. And I have to also hand it to Porsche as a whole. Dealership layout, phenomenal. The cars are easy to get at and look around. They're not all kind of zigzagged and staggered and bunched up. Salesmen are in place but not obstructing, and it's been a really good experience. I'm going to do a little bit more of this stuff and try and expand the content on the channel a little bit. So I guess that's it for me. Over and out from Porsche Oakville. Thank you and have a good day.